It looks like it's going to rain.
It is super hot outside. I don't know how many. What's the temperature today, but it feels like 38, 39 degrees Celsius. It is crazy out. I need to put this thing on. Anyway, today's plan. I have a very big date. Ahead of today, I have to go meet a friend and have lunch with, and then I have to get a haircut, and then the third one is do some shopping for the house. Simple shopping. Oh man, it's hot. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna do haircut first and then lunch, or I'll do lunch, haircut, shopping. I'll think about it on the way. It is way too hot today. Like seriously, I haven't checked how many temperature, like what's the temperature today, but it's above 30, 35 actually. Anyway, I want to go to the barber shop, but my barber shop is his side hustle. He has like a main job, so he's gonna come back around, finish work at 5 p.m. So that's where he opens. So like he opens early in the morning and then late at the afternoon and all weekend. So the barber thing is his side hustle. So I might just go have lunch and then come do the barbershop thing, cut my hair, and then do shopping. So that's the plan.
No one gonna fight for you. Nothing else that
I have to stop and check for something first. The stand of this. I need to find a stand for this thing here because I can't put the stand straight to stand and to talk or vlog or anything, so I'm looking for the thing to screw up. So I'm here at the Japanese shop. This is the place that they sell the cheapest gadget. So 88 pesos. Some nicer. I always look for Pacific Island set because most of our rugby team social night is always Pacific. They say Hawaiian, but it's Pacific Island. It's not Hawaiian. They have some great. There's one there. It's also cool. This is new. Anyway, I'm gonna head for lunch. I'm actually just waiting for my friend to come so we can have lunch at Popeye. Now, I made a vlog about traveling few miles just to get Popeye to taste Popeye, this vlog right here. 3 or 4 months later, Popeye moved to where I'm staying. It's like a kilometer away from where I'm staying. Just one bus ride, jeepney ride away. So I'm gonna have Popeye for lunch. Just waiting for my friend to text me so we can have lunch.
So apparently Popeye was here before.
So Popeye was here and it's closed. So apparently it opens for only like a month or 2. And now it's closed and we only have Wendy's on the side. So I might just go for a Wendy. Or yeah, probably just eat Wendy's. Because Wendy's is the only one here. Anyway, I just got back from Popeye. I just got back from Wendy's. The Wendy's chicken is kind of dry. It's probably like the worst chicken I ever tasted in American fast food. Chicken is super dry. I tried Popeye and I thought Popeye was the worst, but now I tried Wendy, and Wendy actually topped the chart of worst chicken franchise. But Wendy is more of a sandwich shop, so. Anyway, I have to go and get my haircut first. It's 4 o'clock now. So my barber guy will be already there. Probably the store will be open already, the barber shop. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get an haircut and then go shopping afterwards. Whew, so hot. All right. Wow. Yeah, just got an haircut. Finally, I got a stand for this tripod. Anyway, I just got back from the barangay, did my haircut, did my shopping, came back. It was a wonderful day, but there's something that I have to show you guys. Just wait. It's not sponsored video. I have to clarify that. Anyway, it says buy one, get second up to 50% off. Alright, up to 50% off. One Kraken allspice what is this? Roll-on deodorant. It's around 312 peso. So they said buy one and get one up to 50%. You know what? The price that I got, it's for these two, it cost 598 pesos. This thing is not even buy one get one free or one up to 50% off. It's probably 0.5% off. 312 for one. 300 peso 12, that's $2 something. And I got these two for 598, 600 peso. That's just like minus the 26 peso. All right, you guys think I'm lying. Where's the name of this thing? Sales in the stocks. Here. It's called Old Spice Stick. 300 peso. 312 peso for one. They said buy one and get one up to 50% off. They just removed 26 peso. The thing is still cost 300 peso for two. It's a bloody scam marketing shit, stupid. It really ruined my afternoon when I was doing my shopping. As soon as I saw the price, it was like, what the actual F? It's not even buy one, get one. It's just like literally buy two. Anyway, it's a scam. If you guys see this one and they say buy one, get one, it's not even buy one and get one. It's just that buy two, and they remove like 0.5% of the normal price, and you get two for the almost original price. I think the 12 peso is their markup price for the supermarket, so you just pay for the normal wholesale price. It's ruined my afternoon, but anyway, I got two. Still, it's a bloody marketing scam. They force you to buy one, just thinking that you're gonna buy one and get one. And I was already at the checkout paying, and I realized that, wait a minute, this thing cost 312 peso, and I just paid buy one, get one for almost 600 peso. That's exactly the same price. I just bought two with the umbrella that is buy one and get one. Total scam. Never, ever, ever. If you're in the Philippines, don't fall for this. I'm watching you now. I'm showing you now, so don't fall for it. I got receipts. Anyway, ruins my day, ruins my afternoon. I have to go and run and blow this thing off. Bloody 600 peso, 300 peso. Anyway, see you on the next one.